Sailor told us that something really important to her while we're on this trip was to be able to take a cooking class in every country that we visit. Well, we're in Samara and we looked up cooking classes and they're about $65 a person, and we cannot quite afford that if we want to continue to travel. So our next best bet was to look up on YouTube and find something that we all thought we might be okay eating. Sailor and I are a little picky, so it's a little hard. And we found a traditional Costa Rican breakfast, and we are heading to the grocery store, so come along.
We got this,
Okay.
but it's not very much. It's like literally like,
We're gonna get like one slice each?
yeah.
Okay, I don't love that. Maybe we just go with the more expensive bacon.
It's got a picture of a breakfast on the bottle for $6.50.
If it has a picture of breakfast, you know that's what you need.
For advertising, you cook breakfast with it, and I ain't go wrong.
Okay, so we got oil, we got bacon, we need beans. That's what we need, right? All right, so we got beans, cilantro, onion, peppers. So for this meal, with the exception of the toilet paper and Sailor's favorite chips that she's discovered while we've been here, we are about $45 into our meal tonight, which I feel like is extremely expensive.
We are Blue Linen, and this is our story.
We are making a traditional Costa Rica breakfast, but for dinner. And it is called
Gallo Pinto.
Gallo Pinto.
Bacon, eggs, fried plantains.
Rice and beans,
That's the Gallo Pinto.
and some bread.
And buttered toast.
Yeah, butter toast.
All right, you ready for our first cooking class, Sailor?
Yeah.
We're all learning together, so everybody's washing their hands. Get in on the action. Now, first things first.
Get the stem off.
Yep. Just gonna cut it right there.
Ew. Why does it look like that outside? So are peppers still
Mhm.
Yeah, that's the seeds.
All right, now what I want you to do is slice the pepper long ways, all the way down. Watch your fingers. You don't have to get all of it. Mostly you just want to get like this kind of core up in here. Get in your eye. All right. You need to finish it?
Yeah.
All right, I can do that.
Oh, it didn't hurt that bad.
So we're not that hot.
No, it didn't hurt at all. I just scared it.
Just kind of cut them in some strips like that. You can do this, right? Chop them in little pieces. Alright, perfect.
Also, we have no measuring utensils in this kitchen either.
Pour slow. Yep. Sure. Close enough. There's one. Now turn the burner on. You're gonna get you a spoon. Cooking spoon. That'll probably do the trick. Don't break it. Alright. You need me to take over for a minute? Don't go anywhere though.
I just poured it in.
Yep, about 3 cups. Go. Not all of it though, remember you can pull back if you need to. And here's the hard part, we gotta bring that to a boil. So, if you cook the beans, you want them to save some of the bean juice for later. But since we're not doing that, we gotta improvise a little bit, right? So your hands are clean, right? So I want you to use it like a filter. Put your hand over it and try to dump some of that juice in there.
Someone was coming out.
okay. Just do the best you can. We ain't perfect. Let's cover this up. Getting it? Looks like you are. Now, you want to cut them into about 1-inch slices. So let me see if I can show you about what an inch is. Alright, go ahead and cut them about like that. Then, let's not do a ton though. Hey, don't drop them like that. Set them. See how it splashed?
Yeah,
You do not
I'm
want
too
to.
scared.
Just set the edge down, like this. Set an edge down.
It's gonna burn me.
You just gotta gently place them. You don't drop them. We'll just do that for now. Look right, I think. They're softer now. You gotta smash them and then you gotta refry them.
Oh,
But
gotcha.
I mean, that being said, I have no clue.
That might have been too thin.
It's fine, just get it out. Or get it off.
Like this. I would maybe get a little wide, you know. Or kind of getting crooked. You're going like this. Go ahead. That's alright. Really? Really?
I don't like that. Okay.
Alright, we can get rid of that. Try to go out though, so you know, put the pineapples. Hey, what pineapple you left? You're really scared me, honestly.
You want me to do it? Let me do it.
Let Mama get in there. Let her get it all peeled and then you can chop it up into pieces. See this? It's real hard. Like peel it, it's real hard. You don't want to eat that. So let me try that.
Why are you closing your eyes?
I don't want pineapple juice in there.
Not too small, not too big. Just right. Like Goldilocks.
Pineapple's the easiest thing I've cut.
See that much bigger cutting board back there either. I think they're pretty much ready.
I'm telling you.
Just the way. In the middle. And then down.
All right, Sailor. You've got an official Costa Rican dinner.
I'll try the pineapple first, even though I already tried.
All right. Gallo Pinto, bacon, toast, eggs, fresh pineapple, fried plantains. A full meal. Plantains, here we go. Really? All right, come on. Your face says it all. Would you just get in there and get a bite? Here we go.
Am might be good. You ate that rice the other night at the soda and you thought it was good. It
Come
might
on.
just need some salt and pepper.
That ain't even right. You look like a squirrel.
You did kind of look like a squirrel. I don't know that you're gonna have a better reaction with me. I'm a little nervous too, but here we go. All right, plantains. I don't want the one with cheese.
I know. I've never successfully cooked a plantain, so I don't know.
The aftertaste wasn't as bad.
Aftertaste of what?
This. That, it's just plain. You don't taste it.
I mean,
Bland.
it's not for me. It's not bad, but it literally has no taste.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Oh man. This. Can I eat it on my toast?
Do whatever you want.
Well, what do you mean no? That's how they were eating it. Sailor.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's get it in the corner.
I feel like I probably need some salt on it, but I don't know.
Now you need to try by itself.
Oh well. 'Cause you might be surprised by my reaction.
Why, you like it?
I don't know that I like it,
Don't hate it.
but I don't hate it. But I don't know. Maybe it was good on this. We'll try.
I'm definitely surprised because I thought it was a guaranteed I hate it.
Well, my opinion is, I think the rice and the beans are okay. I definitely need some more salt and pepper. I don't mind the onions, but I hate the peppers.
All right, dinner's done. I think cooking class for Costa Rica was a success, or as much as it could have been with the lack of a proper kitchen we had.
Yeah. Whew, sorry. Oh man, it's late. We're tired. We're going to bed.
We'll see you in the morning as we continue our search for the turtles.
Good night.
Good night.